Hello and welcome to my channel How Toists. Today we are talking about how to make movies watch list. First of all, we will discuss how do we get a movie name. How do we get suggested to watch any movie or TV series or whatever. The first way is when a friend recommends us a movie, and the second one is while scrolling through internet and we don't know want to switch apps. We just want to screenshot it something, and as you know, whenever we screenshot something, it sits in our screenshot folder and we never look it back. So I am going to tell you how to make a movie list which you actually use. So for this, we will not be using any app specifically for that. We will be using Google Keep for it. Let me show you how. So first of all, you can see I have two Keep apps, one for my personal use and one for the tutorials. So let's go in the tutorial one. You can see this was written in it. I will come a step back and you can see there is nothing else in my Keep app. So I will choose the top left option to create a new label, and I will create a label by name as movies to watch, and I will create it, and then I will create a new Keep note. We will be tackling the first situation when some of our friend or family member or whoever recommends us anything. We will create a we will choose the plus option to create a tick box, and we will name one movie. Let's suppose Titanic. Titanic. This is our first movie, and we will label this from the bottom right option as label it as movie to watch. Now you have a movie in your list. When we come back down there, and when we go on the option movies to watch, you will see a list Titanic, and when you want to add any new movie, we will touch it on it and add another movie name. Suppose Rush. This is the first kind. The second kind is when we are scrolling through internet. Let's suppose I am scrolling through Instagram and come across this wonderful quote, and I do not want to switch too much apps. So I will just screenshot it and click on the send button, share it with Keeps, the one which I use for tutorials, touch on the label button and mark it as movies to watch and OK and save, and just one back, and can continue my scrolling. When I go back to the Keep notes, you can see in movies to watch there is one screenshot, there is one list. So this is a very great setup to create a watch list simply. Thank you.